Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today's video is about how to connect Roblox to Discord. But before moving forward, first make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And now without further ado, let's begin. First, make sure that you have Roblox application. So go to Google Store or Play Store and install the app. And then open the app, and you need to make sure that while you want to connect it to Discord, the game is playing or the game shouldn't be stopped. Once you're done with these steps, open your Discord application and then tap on the settings icon given at the bottom right corner of your screen. And among these options, you will find an option of registered games. Open this option. Now from there, you can simply connect Roblox to Discord by tap on Add button and select your Roblox, and then you're good to go. So everyone, this is how you can connect Roblox to Discord. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.